How to turn on mobile data or cellular data automatically on iPhone when Wi-Fi is not working. So if your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, just like I do, and you have the mobile data turned on, your iPhone can automatically switch between cellular data and mobile data when either of the networks is weak. So here, I'll walk you through how to turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi when your Wi-Fi is weak or while your mobile data is weak. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service or cellular service. So this depends on your location or your device. Now while on mobile data page or mobile service page, scroll down until you get to Wi-Fi access. You can see automatically use mobile data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So if this is disabled, your iPhone will stick to a single network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, whether the Wi-Fi is poor or not, your iPhone will not switch to mobile data. And if you're using mobile data and the network is poor while Wi-Fi is available, your iPhone will not switch automatically to Wi-Fi. So if you turn this on, it will allow your iPhone to switch between mobile data and then Wi-Fi on your phone. So that is basically how to use or how to turn on cellular data and Wi-Fi at the same time to use them simultaneously. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.